Welcome back to another video. Today I have another Temu haul for you guys. So I got a bunch of random things this time. I got makeup, jewelry, clothing pieces. I saw this viral waist anything that I'm going to try on for you guys, and leggings that I'm so excited to try on. So guys, if you do not know about Temu and it's your first time learning about Temu, you can click the link in my bio and download the Temu app and use my discount code 522250 to get an extra 30% off plus $100 coupon bundle to spend for new users. So what are you waiting on? Click that link in my bio and go ahead and download the app. Temu has a bunch of amazing stuff to offer, from clothing, cleaning products, jewelry, makeup, you name it, they have it, even furniture. So go ahead, click the link, and the quality is amazing. It's similar to other marketplaces, but a fraction of the cost. That's what you pay for it. And they offer fast shipping plus a wide range of other benefits like price reduction and so much more. So don't forget to click the link in my bio and download the Temu app. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox these pieces and test them out for you guys. And use my coupon code 522250 for extra 30% off. These are invisible patches, and I was so excited to try these. They're emergency patch for acne. I'm gonna have the prices for everything linked on the screen. So the price for this was $1.99 for the pack, and it comes with a bunch. You get a lot in it. So you just pop it off and apply it. And you just apply it to the pimple like that. The next piece I got are these nails. They were only for 49 cents and they are 24 square nails, and I got the medium length because I used to love wearing long fingernails, but I just can't do it anymore. So it comes with the sticky glue and then these gorgeous 24 pieces. I'm going to try and put them on for you guys. I just got my nails done, so I don't want to mess it up, but you'll see it in another video. I'm going to do it for a short video and show you guys what it looks like. So that's that, and you get this nail file too, double-sided nail file. So that's what comes in the pack for 49 cents. The next piece I got are these. There are 4 pieces. They come in different color. You can also get it in 8. It was only for 54 cents. 54 cents. You can use it to clean a variety of different things. So I just had to get them, and I can't wait to try them out and see how much they hold the soap. This is a 5-piece gold earring set, only for 29 cents. And you get 5 pieces. And they clip on. See, I always like all the earring going up like this, but I don't want to pierce my ear. So this is cute. So I don't know if I put them on correctly, but this is what they look like. And it's 5 pieces. Because I wasn't looking at the mirror, I was trying to use the camera to see. But I like them. They're cute and they just snap right on. For 29 cents, you cannot beat that. So the next piece is this 4-piece hair clip. They come in 4 different colors, and I absolutely love how gorgeous they are. I love the blush pink and the different tones of pink. The 4-piece rectangular claw clips, $1.29 for all 4 pieces. Let's see how well they work. That's good. It holds it up. So I love that it held it up. So I like that, and I'm just gonna leave it like this. So let's see how long it holds up throughout the video. You guys love opening packages. It's like Christmas all over again. Oh, this is what it comes like. Oh, it's the magnetic eyeliner and eyelashes. It's 5 pairs of magnetic eyelashes, $6.99 for the magnetic lashes. On the box, it gives you the tips on how to use and how to remove it and all of that. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like holding up. So out of the box, this is what it looks like. So you get these pieces. So you get the three different sizes of lashes. And what's this? Try to open this. Clearly I'm not a pro. Lord of mercy. Oh, and you get 2 more eyelash in here with a mirror, so it's 5 pieces of lashes to get 2 extra lashes in this case. And this is so cute. Look at it. So cute. I think you're supposed to use this and put the lashes on. I have no idea. I'm not a pro. I used to put on the individual lashes years ago when it just came out, and you get this little instruction sheet also. That's pretty cool. I'm excited about this. The next item I got is this. It's so cute. Look at it. This is simply adorable. It is so cute. $1.99 is the peach flavor Crystal Glow Jelly Lip Moisturizing Oil. So let's test it out. It does not have a strong scent. It feels really good. Like, it doesn't feel sticky. It feels really lightweight, and as you can see, it gives it a nice shine. So, and it goes on really smoothly, so I like that. I love this. Yeah, I'm a lip gloss girly. Yes, they are. Ooh. So these are the Y2K transparent cat's eye glasses for $2.39. These are cute. Set my hair down and see. These pieces are really trendy right now. I love these. This, I think this is the leggings, or it's the waist. Oh no, it's the shorts. So these are the viral training shorts. Like, it's supposed to suck your belly in 10 times smaller than it is. So I can't wait to try this on to see if it actually works. So it was only $4.49. So for under $5, the quality is really nice. It's really thick. It has for a boning thing at the sides, where the waist is. So I'm excited to try this on and see how it fits. So 1 second. Stop it. I'm gonna need to order a couple more of these because I'm shocked. This is unbelievable. And the next thing I got is this leggings. This was for $9.99, and these are the viral leggings. It makes your butt look like a peach at the back. So I just had to get it. It was $9.99. I'm going to try it on and see if it fits. I hope it fits because I'm a leggings girl and I love leggings. Like, I'm obsessed with leggings. And if they don't fit, I'm going to be crushed. Try them on and see how they look. No judgment. Guys, that's the leggings and that's what it looks like. Now, me, I would go down a size or 2 on the leggings. But yeah, I would definitely go down at least a size on the leggings. So if you're a large, I would order a medium. The shorts, definitely go down a size or 2 because it's shapewear. I don't know what I was thinking ordering my size. So if you want to be really snatched, definitely go down a size with the shapewear shorts because they work. I love those. I'm definitely going to be ordering more for myself personally, but I will be going down a size or 2 because I plan to also lose some weight. So that's that. And with the leggings, I should have ordered me a size smaller or 2. I just wanted to make sure that they fit, so I ordered the size that I am currently wearing clothing overall. So I wish I had gone down a size. But that's the beauty about reviews. We do the work, we order it, we try it out, we try it out for you guys so we can tell you what to expect. So but overall, I love the pieces. I love all the pieces that I got, and I will definitely be using them. Again, everything will be linked in my description box down below, and remember to use my coupon code FAB22250 for extra 30% off. And I do know what you're waiting on, but download the app. Download the app and get a 100 coupon. 100 can go a long way, because everything that I ordered were only $30 in total for all 10 pieces. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know which piece was your favorite and if you'll be getting anything from this haul. Also, I have a bunch of other Temu hauls from cleaning products and other items that I try on and test them out for you guys. So I'm gonna leave a playlist right here. You guys can click on it and go ahead and see other exciting finds that I found. And yeah, enjoy. Alright guys, that is it for the video. Until next time, guys, have a blessed day, blessed week, blessed month, and fabulous. I love you guys, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Come on.